Don't know, sir. Golden
Okay.
horses.
Right. Very nice. Can I have the next group, please?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. The next group 6.
Sir.
Yeah. How many of you, my dear?
Afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir,
What
roll
are your
numbers 61 to 69, sir.
61 to 60?
Yes, sir. Only 4 of us are present, sir.
It's okay. Whoever is present,
5.
Yes.
we'll get others. 61 to 69, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Who are
65 is
the
not there, sir.
65 is not there? Okay. Who are the people who are present?
60,
63, sir.
63, 66,
62,
62.
64, sir.
No, one at a time, please. 63 is present.
Yes, sir.
66. Who's 66?
Present, sir.
Who's this? I'm not.
Sir.
Bhargavi, sir.
Bhargavi, I'm not able to see you on screen.
Sir, I have switched on my camera, sir.
I think you're come now. Okay. And then who are the others?
62 is there, sir. Okay.
Who's 62?
Akhil, sir.
Akhil also is not available on the screen. Akhil, switch on your camera, yeah?
Sir, I on it.
But I'm not able to see you.
His camera is
Sir,
bad, I think, sir.
Yes.
Okay, who is the other person?
64, sir.
So people present are
60.
62, 63, 64, 66, right?
Sir, 68
Yes.
and 69 only, sir.
Present or not present?
Present, sir. 68 and 69.
So ask all of them to come on screen, no? At least I'll see them.
Sir, we are all on screen. Like I can see
So
everybody.
six of us are present, 2 are not there, sir. 61 and 67 are not there.
61 and 67. I don't know. Maybe I'll have to do some alt tile or something. How do I get all of you on screen?
Hello, Prashant. Is it
Yeah.
visible?
Yeah, it's visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So who is presenting?
Sir, Akhil is sharing the screen, but I am starting with the
Sure.
presentations.
Okay.
So the title of the case study itself says it's the McDonald's turnaround story. So what does a corporate turnaround means? So I have done a bit of research on it, sir. So a corporate turnaround is bringing back or reviving the company from a business failure. And this has got few phases. So the first phase is restructuring or retrenching the company, and the second phase is recovery. So in restructuring, what happens is basically the company tries to cut down on its cost and also try to innovate and get operational excellence. And in recovery, that is the phase in which they try to go back to the path of growth, and they want to attain stability in the phase of recovery. So this whole case study revolves around how McDonald's survived from its business failure and how it achieved stability. And Akhil, can we go to the next slide? So, sir, this is basic introduction, and as you have already said, this is already in the case. I'm not telling anything about what is there, sir. I'm telling
No,
what are our
because
learnings.
one second. Because you are
Yes.
doing a very good job. What you should say is, for example, I'm telling it for the entire class. You can
Yes.
take it from 1937 and
Yes.
say McDonald is a 83-year-old fast food joint company, and it is
Yes.
even older than the Republic of India.
Yes.
So
sir.
that McDonald being older than the Republic of India will go into the minds of the listeners and the viewers.
Yes.
That is
sir.
how you attract the attention. So if
Yes.
you
sir.
keep on reading 1937, ENT, so what? So
Okay.
when we know that we got independence in 1947, so McDonald's exists even before the coming of the independent India. Or
Yes.
the second way of doing it is you can take a comparable Indian chain, for example, Bajaj, and say Bajaj was established in 1931, whereas McDonald's was established in 1937. So you try
Yes.
to make it, the whole idea in the case of 1937 is it's a very old company.
Yes.
You're getting my point. So please
Yeah,
continue.
sir. Understood, sir.
Yes, sure, please continue.
Okay. So a company like McDonald, which is there in the industry even before India got independence, also had experienced experienced failures. So, and the biggest learning from the background note is, even though these brothers, the McDonald's brothers, they were not in a burger industry, they were not in a fast food industry, they were into a gasoline, but still they didn't stick to their particular domain and they explored opportunities. And just with a small snack item, they have established $1 billion company. So that is one of the biggest learning. And the second learning is age is not a restriction at all. Like they were in a very they were in an age where they could have earned so much in that gas industry. They could have fixed their careers there itself. But at that age also they showed the courage to explore and invent new things. And the concept of drive-in was first introduced by McDonald's. So drive-in, the main intention behind bringing a drive-in is they don't want their customers to wait. A drive-in is wherein you drive into the lane, you order it from one window, and by the time you turn around and go to the next window, your order is ready. So that fast is their service. So they
And let me add one more
they caught up
advantage for
to
it.
this
One
idea
second,
that
one
the
second.
customers are no
One
longer
second,
willing to wait in
one
long
second, one
lines.
second. Krishnaveni, very good point.
Yes, sir.
Another greatness of a drive-in is after taking your food, you no longer are staying there. You're moving out. So the restaurant is getting a
Yes, sir.
benefit that you're taking and going away. You're replaced by another customer. You
Yes, sir.
understand my point,
And
no?
yes,
Continue.
sir. Yes, sir. I understood. And one big advantage with this is they are saving on the resources. Like if a customer is waiting and sitting in the restaurant, he needs to have electricity, the chairs, the tables. They need to provide with the asset. So here they're cutting off that cost also. The customer is no longer waiting there. He's just taking away and moving. And one disadvantage with this is they are in the menu. The menu is restricted to only those items which the customer can carry in their hand. So that is the only restriction. So this is one interesting thing. This is from the background note, sir. Can you move on?
Before you move on, can others try to
Yes.
switch off their audios? Only I would like to speak to Krishnaveni only. Yeah, Krishnaveni. What was the Yahoo movement that Ray Kroc had? Can you tell me? What was that Eureka moment for K-Rock?
Yes, sir.
You know what is the Eureka moment, no?
Okay. So when Ray
No, hold
Kroc
on.
came
No, hold on,
and
hold on.
saw the
Hold on,
McDonald's
hold on.
restaurant, there were
Krishnaveni,
people waiting
please.
in the.
What is a Eureka moment? Can anybody tell me?
The most excited moment or the unexpected
I think
moment.
what happens is there is a guy called Archimedes. Has anybody heard of Archimedes?
Yes, sir.
What is
Yes,
Archimedes'
sir. Yes.
sir.
principle? What is
Ancient
Archimedes? No, I know, but what is the principle?
that it floats on water.
Actually,
Yes,
what
sir.
happens is
Floats on.
when you jump
Playing
into
with water.
no, not playing with water here. When you jump into
Weighing,
water,
weighing, sir.
almost there. So when you jump into water, a
What?
amount of water equal to your weight is displaced from the water body. So
Yes,
when he
sir.
discovered this, Archimedes said "Eureka" and jumped out of the bathtub and started running naked on the roads. So when somebody understands things which nobody has understood, it is called Eureka moment. So what was the Eureka moment for Ray Kroc is what I'm asking.
Sir, Kroc estimated that McDonald's business, like
Correct,
if
Amma.
a
Very good, very
McDonald's
good,
outlet
very
is
good.
open, can be
When did
opened in
no,
$75.
you're అసలు చెప్పింది విననే వినం
Yes, sir.
వెళ్తుంది. What was the moment where he said yes, this is it? ఎక్కడ రాసుంది కేసులో?
Sir, in the background note
Sir,
in the sixth paragraph.
Yeah, what did it say, Jerry Prashant?
Sir, in the sixth paragraph it says that he goes to a McDonald's restaurant and he watches that through all
Sir,
glass
can I,
walls.
like, unlike other restaurants, McDonald's bought 8 multi-mixers.
Exactly. That was the Eureka moment. When others
Yes.
are not buying even one multi-mixer, what are these fellows buying 8 multi-mixer? అంటే చెప్తాను చూడండి, మన ఇంట్లో మనం ఒక టీవీ కొనడమే గ్రేట్. అంటే వీళ్ళు ఏం చేశారంటే 800-inch టెలివిజన్స్ కొన్నారు. ఒకేసారి. అంటే మన దగ్గర ఇంట్లో ఉన్నదేమో 32 ఇంచు 40 ఇంచు. సడన్లీ దీస్ పీపుల్ bought 8 multi-mixers and Ray Kroc ఒక ఐడియా వచ్చిందండి, ఎందుకు వీళ్ళు 8 multi-mixers కొంటున్నారు? When I am not able to send one multi-mixer, There are some people in San Bernardino in California who bought 8 machines, and he went and investigated, and he found out that they're serving 40 milkshakes at a time. Akkad nunchi he got an idea. So what is the learning? Again,
So seeing the potential, like yeah, even if there is something huge, also you have to catch to it.
understand it. And second thing is, inventors may or
Turn
may
into a
not make
business
the money.
idea.
Yes, the McDonald's brothers today are almost on the streets. Their family, because they got too much money at a very young age, are struggling for jobs like you or me. Whereas Craig Crock's descendants are all super million billionaires. So inventors can be somebody. The learning is, but the fellow who actually makes money could be somebody different. Same thing happened for Coca-Cola also. The original inventor of Coke never made too much money. The people who bought Coke made and turned it into a profitable business made more money. So try to look like Jerry correctly and Jerry and Krishnaveni have correctly shown to us. Try to read it carefully to understand. Tomorrow you could start your great invention yourself. But are you going to make the money, or somebody else is going to make the money and we will feel, oh my God, I should have. So please, good point, Jerry Prashant. Please continue. Yes.
And the next revolutionary idea was the franchisee model that McDonald's adopted. Like they first initially gave restaurants to franchises, but still they couldn't achieve that uniformity in all the franchises. So these McDonald's brothers were afraid that their reputation was at stake, and they withdrew those franchises. But then again, when Ray Kroc came, he came up with the idea that instead of just getting the royalty, we will also get the amount by giving the land to lease. So what McDonald's revolutionary idea was that they were buying off the lands wherever they want to establish a McDonald's restaurant, and the same land they were giving to lease to people who are willing to set up the restaurant. So that way, McDonald's earned money from the lease amount also, and also the royalty. So this was a very smart idea, sir. Like if you want to earn money in a multiple ways, this gives us a biggest lesson that you can, in whatever resources we have, we can look in for smart ideas. Like instead of going the conventional same way, we can always go in a very unconventional path, and which is also legal. So this was one of the brilliant ideas that I found in the from the background notes, sir. And coming down to the failures, like Akhil, can you move to the next slide? The next slide. So, and one more thing, so like this all drama was happening since a very long time. But a huge history, such a success in the market also took a lot of time to accept that the company was going into losses, and that they have to come up with a new strategy to revive it. So that is again a learning, sir. Like when there's something going wrong, we should be courageous enough to accept and admit that there's something going wrong, and correct it as soon as possible. So the mistake that McDonald's made is, in the due course of understanding the mistake, it lost its relationships with the franchisees. So it only thought about the revenue aspect, and it forgot the relationship that the franchises had with McDonald's company itself. So the franchisees were the sources of income for McDonald's, but they ignored it, and they were concentrating more on innovating the process, like how to make the burger in a more efficient way. But they forgot what impact it created on the franchise owners. And this perception about unhealthy and over processed food. So in the 1990s, when this whole idea of healthy concepts came up, there was a lot of bad publicity that went in for McDonald's. In fact, a few publishers claimed that McDonald's was the prime reason for people in America to become obese. So but though but even though there were so many allegations, McDonald's could survive those allegations also. There were no proper evidences that it was only McDonald's that was the reason for obesity. And the paradox which you have said, sir, in the prior discussion, so the paradox was that when these fast food chains started up giving healthy substitutes also, people surprisingly opted for those unhealthy foods only. They were not they were not convinced, or they were not compromised with the taste that the healthy substitutes offered them. And the failure in price based competitive strategy. So this way, when Subway started giving these meals, the combos, McDonald's tried to give a combo of eight items for $1. So Subway came up with again 11. Burger King came up with another combo which gave 11 items for 99 cents. So that way, McDonald's, the company itself, devalued its own products. Like when they were of even more higher worth, McDonald's gave it at a lower price, and they increased the number of franchises so much that they were cannibalizing themselves. Like whenever a new franchise was opened, an existing franchisee lost 6 to 14% of the revenues. So that way they were cannibalizing themselves. So these were few failures why McDonald's went into this turnaround process, should go for this turnaround process. And so this turnaround process, Bhargavi will take over from here.
Sure, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. So, firstly, I would like to explain the Golden Arches rise again. So, the Golden Arches, which you asked, sir, that is the symbol of the McDonald's, sir. That is the yellow color thing, that M. That symbolizes the Golden Arches.
Because
So,
it is golden color.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And why it is named as the rise again is that, so from this downfall for a reputed company like McDonald's, it was a very challenging situation, because it was one of the reputed fast food industry. In fast food industry, it was one of the best company, but still it has failed. So how to come again? So they have named it as the rise again. And this turnaround strategy was taken up by Cantalupo, who was the CEO, and nothing much he has done, sir. As you have explained in strategic management, he has understood the competitive advantage. Like from the past, whatever mistakes they have made, they were only like expanding their business, expanding their franchisees and everything. But he has understood what is there in our hands, like in the existing stores, how the sales can be increased from those only the comparable stores, like how can the revenue be generated. He has understood. And whatever I'm saying, sir, that would be explained in the later financial slides, as everybody will believe in facts and figures rather than my words. So these all, what are the strategies he has applied, those will be explained in the next financial slides. So he has come up with adult happy meal. So first they were into the burgers, fries and everything, but as in the past we have seen that obese, they had a myth that because of this McDonald's food, people are getting obese, overweight and everything. So they wanted to remove this, and they have put like salad, bottle food for bottled water and pedometer for the grown-ups, because in this generation grown-ups may put on a lot of weight because they are more attracted to junk foods. So maybe that was the strategy where he targeted only that grown-up people. And and with the speedometer he also targeted the parents who are coming, so they could understand, because they have offered that yogurts and everything. So this would in general not only is targeting only one grown-ups, at the same time he is targeting the adult persons also who are coming and visiting, because they would understand that okay, these are the health foods, why can't we try. So in that sort he has understood the market. And the next thing is that in the before he has introduced made up not Cantaloupe, before McDonald's have introduced made up kitchen, because and the speed factors is really important for a fast food industry, because in the past data if we see, we have seen that McDonald's is taking somewhere around 163 seconds or some from the competitor. So he has understood that speed factor is the main thing which a fast food industry should take upon. So he has introduced that efficiency styles in the cooking side, so that service is improved and fast service is given to the customers. As Krishnaveni has said in the before, the drive-in concept or everything, that all linked to the service. So, but in the past they have made a mistake by making that made up kitchen. They thought that it could, but more time it has taken. So that was the thing he had, and they also diversified, like into McCafe, Australian coffee. They also diversified their products. And the biggest learning from this is that, sir, for a burgers and fries like company like this, how people will accept this innovative or new formats? That was the basic challenge. Like how to retain these customers. Like Cantaloupe understood the necessity and need of the customers. He understood the competitive advantage, and he has nothing made new things, sir, from the existing past mistakes what they have done. From that they have made it something new. So he, whatever mistakes were made in the past, he thought that he should, these things should be reduced here. And the mystery shoppers was also the previous concept where they have uninstalled it, but now they have started this mystery shoppers. Mystery shoppers is that the paid customers who go and watch these people, like how they are working, the cleanliness, service, everything would be noted down. So these are what I have understood. We understood, sir. Next
Yeah.
thing, next
One second.
innovations will be.
One second
Yes,
before
sir.
the next person comes in. Bhargavi, I
Yes,
think
sir.
you should move slightly backward because
Okay,
your
sir.
image is slightly. For example, see how I am sitting. I think you
Sir,
should split.
actually, sir, I'm logging in from phone, sir. So
It's
this
okay.
is
No,
the
no.
problem,
Acha,
sir.
you don't have a long. You are.
No, sir.
For
No,
example,
sir. No, sir.
see my headphone. I think you can take it 3 or 4 feet away. See, I'm trying to show you. So you are making a very good
Yes, sir.
presentation. One second. Huh?
Sir, I
Uh,
understand, sir, but actually I'm having that link problem, sir. Sorry, sir.
No,
So,
why I'm saying it is, let us
yes,
take,
sir. Yes, sir.
I put it on a YouTube. Some of the
Yes,
YouTubers
sir.
might, no, it's okay. It's okay. I'm not
Yes, sir.
saying,
Yes, I
it's a,
understand, sir. What you told is correct, sir, but sorry,
yeah.
sir.
No, no, it's okay. What
But
I'm trying to say is, try to get a little more, when you're talking, no, the entire camera is moving and it's slightly distracting. So
no, sir.
no, no, I'll give you some solutions also. You can get a
Sure,
small,
sir.
this selfie stick or something, install it
Sir,
on a table and
yes.
try to sit in a fixed position and try to invest on a, what is a headphone with slightly longer length. And I think it will all be all right. Yeah, I think your
Yes,
presentation
sir.
was
Yes, sir.
very good. Only thing was there was
Yes,
some
sir. I know,
disturbance
sir.
with the
Yes, sir.
image.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise,
Yes, I
I
understand, sir.
think it was very good. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sure. Yeah,
So
please
next
go
will
ahead.
be continued by Vinita, sir. The
Yeah, please.
next, what are the strategies they have done?
Sure.
Good afternoon, sir. So as Bhargavi said, there is a golden hour prize again in this phase. McDonald used some new strategies after a failure in the year 1990s. So some of the strategies include that travel path, sir. It's a McDonald main strategy is not only to sell their products for low price and value oriented, but also to maintain clean and pleasant surroundings around them. So for that, they included the strategy of travel path. In this, store manager would go for surroundings and check whether the surroundings are clean, and like surroundings are clean, like things like temperature of refrigerators and conditions in the kitchen. He would be checking those things whether they are in the right condition or not. And the next is that it also included cashless options, sir. In the past it used the in the past it did not use the debit cards, whereas in 2004 it used, because if you use cash transactions it took 50 seconds to make processing time, whereas we use debit and credit cards, it only took 2-3 seconds of time, and it also reduced the processing time. And it also included that I am loving it. It is a campaign, sir, to create new cool image for the McDonald. And it is also a strategy. And Ronald McDonald advertisement. It is Ronald McDonald is a company mascot, sir. So in this, it represents that the people, whoever comes into McDonald would feel like they're forever young and forever fun of McDonald. So the major learning from this case I have learned is that How to retain customers in the face of growing competition and changing preferences, customer preferences and its perceptions. In the past 1990s, they did not use this strategy. Later on, after realizing those things, it also implemented few of the strategies like 24-hour service to cater around the world, and also implemented travel path strategy and cashless option. After implementing this, McDonald's saw huge profits in their business, sir.
Very good. I think Jerry Prashant, 5 minutes. Can you please wrap up? It's almost 2-3 minutes. In fact, we have to take attendance also. I think you have some quantitative analysis. Please do it quickly,
Yes.
please. Yeah.
Akhil, will you do it?
Anybody can do. Try to do it fast.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir. Adding to Bhargavi's point, as you can see, the revenue for the past 4 years, that is from 1999 to 2002, the growth was stagnant. It is not as much as they desire. And for the first time, after 38 years of going public, it has reported loss of around $350 million. So they appointed a new CEO, Jim Cantaloupe. Like in the last quarter of the financial year 2002, they reported loss, and the first quarter itself they came out with a turnover program called what is that? Plan to Win, which resulted in a staggering 12% increase in total revenue. And talking about the comparison with the competitors, that is McDonald's with the Yum Brands, Wendy's, and Burger King. McDonald's not only have the most number of sales when compared with the its competitors, it also have the second largest number of stores. And going with the sales per store, McDonald's is the number one. It has around 5.5 lakh or $500,000 of revenue for each store. That is around 3.5 crore rupees in today's money. And going with the percentage terms, so like McDonald's has two categories: comparables and new units. Comparables are nothing but stores which operate for more than 1 year, and new units are new franchises coming up. So till the financial year 2002, the growth was coming down, and actually it has went negative in terms of percentage. And after the appointment of the Jim Cantaloupe, he came up with a strategy so that we give more amount of attention to. As you can see, the percentage increase has been positive, and in next financial year it has almost doubled the previous year in terms of sales growth.
Okay.
And coming to the share prices,
Can somebody quickly wrap up, please? I've given you more time than what is needed. Maybe in a minute can somebody wrap up? You try to conclude, please. Anybody in the group can do it.
Sir,
Jenny will do.
No, nothing
So-
to look, only to conclude. 1 minute.
sir, even being the undisputed king in the fast food restaurant segment, so what I learned mostly is in this cases there was a strategy called as succession planning also. So the company board members were very keen as to who was to take part as a CEO, because he was the key in all this turnaround plan. So the choice was made immediately after the first time after 38 years there was a loss of 343 million. So that is one of the great learning, because from 1990s they were sensing that we would be in trouble because changing customer preferences and all these things. So eventually they had a plan for
1 second. I'll stop Jerry Prashant, because just understand what Jerry Prashant said. For the first time in their history, from 1965, for the first time in 1999, McDonald's made a loss. It must have come as a big shock for them. So it is
Yes.
very important that we bring out such points in a case study. So it was such a big shock that everybody was stunned. How can McDonald's make a loss? Please continue, Jerry. Yes.
Yes, sir. So that was for me. It was the much significant point was having Jim Cantaloupe as CEO immediately after the loss was registered, and through his strategies that my friends explained before, so he could bring it back within a quarter. Within the next quarter, he managed to show results. So that was quite significant.
Okay, thank you, Jerry Prashant. Good job. Team number, what is this team?
Six, sir.
Okay,
Six.
Number
I'll
six.
I'll have some
Sir.
rapid fire. Try to answer it as fast as possible. Anybody
sir.
from the group can do it. What
Okay,
is
sir.
the Indian innovation that McDonald's became very famous for? Indian adaptation of their menu.
Sir,
Sir,
cutting red meat, sir.
Pardon?
Cutting red meat.
Somebody else?
Sir, we have Meg Kalu Tikki and Meg Maharaja. That is the customization of the menu that
Okay, very
McDonald's
good.
made in
No,
India.
apart from that, they did another big
Sir,
innovation.
they will not sell meat burgers. Like we'll only get chicken burgers, but we'll not get mutton
Not
or
even mutton, sir.
anything
Okay,
because
good, good.
Indians
Okay, hold
don't
on.
eat it.
That's enough. What is QSV?
So quality,
Quality,
service, and
service,
value.
and value, sir.
cleanliness,
Value.
Okay,
And
no, no.
value. QSS.
Quality,
Value, sir.
service, value.
value.
So it
Yeah.
is almost the
Yes, sir.
mantra of McDonald's. Quality, service, value.
Service, value.
Quality, service, value. Very good. What is SKU? I don't expect you to answer, but
Stock keeping.
shelf keeping units. It
Shelf
is
keep-
written. Yeah, very good. What is management by
Shelf
walking
keeping.
around?
So the manager goes around the store so that to check the efficiency of the store
Wonderful.
It
and
is
cleanliness
like
of the
travel
store.
path strategy, sir.
Yes.
Travel
So-
path,
sir.
sir. Travel path strategy,
Yeah,
sir.
exactly. So managers should not sit in their chairs. They should get
Yes.
up and keep
Yes.
walking. So the more you walk, the
Yes,
more
sir.
you
To
understand.
minimize the deviations in
Correct,
those.
correct. So and also employees will be little fearful because if they see bosses walking
Yes,
around,
sir.
usually
Yes.
the perception
Yes,
is
sir.
that boss will sit in a office, वो काम नहीं करेगा, वो he'll simply sit on his laptop में कुछ भी देखते रहेगा, whether he's watching movies or whatever. So McDonald's are all big companies. Managers don't sit in a place; they keep on walking around. Very good. So can I take attendance, please? Very good job, Group 6.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Come
Thank
back. So I'm starting with
Thank you, sir.
section A, 28001, absent 002,